Hi guys, welcome to my first project for Kitaholic Kits for the year of 2025. I wanted to do this 12 by 12 arch style layout because I saw these beautiful flowers, the die cut flowers that we got in the kit this month, and honestly I was going to do a wreath, but then I thought like change it up a little bit, use an arch, and I had this arch like sort of template that I got off Amazon. It was like just a chopping board, so I thought perfect. I did try to use one of the inks that we got in the kit, but it didn't really work. I think it's because it's a dye-based ink, so it doesn't really work. But then I just grabbed my watercolors and I just started to create a bit of a mixed media background, which was a bit fun. You can't really see it, but I mean that's the point of mixed media in the end, right? Anyway, as I'm going with that, I should say I'm sorry about the sound quality. And the quality of my voice. I have COVID and I haven't had a voice for like 3-4 days, and then on top of all that I've like can't find my microphone, so you're getting basic Ronnie today. So as I'm adding some splatters and I'm adding some gold splatters, and I'm going to do something I did, when did I do this? I think maybe like a year and a half, 2 years ago. No, it would have been longer. Oh my goodness, I can't know. But I did like these little like gold dots, and then I like these were little watercolor dots, and I just sort of like color them in, and it just creates like a little bit of a bubble effect, and I really like how that looks. So yeah, that made me very happy. Again, you can't really see them in the end result, but I do like how it looks because it just creates a bit of an effect in the background. Sorry about the puppy there in the background as well. It's chaos here. Everyone in my house is sick, so everyone is at home. Anyway, using just a random stamp that I have in my stash and my stamp set to stamp some background sprigs, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to start layering these die cut leaves. I'm not going to make you watch the whole process because it was quite a process to get them all stuck down, and so with the magic of editing, it's going to be completely done for you. I left a little bit at the top because I knew that that's where I want my title to go, and then I'm also going to go in with this chipboard, and I'm going to add this chipboard to create a little bit of an extra dimension. Down the track you'll see as well that I'm going to go through and I'm going to like actually like curl up all of the leaves to add that sort of like bushy feeling and to add extra dimension as well. But for now I'm just going to mat my photo on that pink paper, and then I'm going to just put that on some foam dots and call it done, because it was already like it was a busy background, so I didn't want to be too crazy with it. So once my photo's down, I'm going to use this chipboard leaf. I'm cutting it up so that it looks like there's more than two pieces, because you know, rule of threes. I'm going to stick that one and tuck the bottom into one of the leaves down the bottom, so it looks like it's growing out of that little arch as well. Now I'm going through and I'm just adding, this is where I'm pulling up my leaves, and then I'm going to just pretty much add some sprinkly bits and my title. My title is going to be Happiest, Happy Girl? I'm not sure, but I'm going to use one of the chipboard titles, and I'm going to grab some foam thickers alphas from my stash to write girl. This is just a story of Adelie and us going for a coffee, and she was really smiley, and so I got a bunch of photos. Adding little bits of like hearts, like these heart stickers, and then we've got these enamel stickers, or are they epoxy? I'm not sure, but we've got like the other stickers that we got, like these little sprinkly bits. So I'm adding those, and like in hindsight, now that I'm looking at it again, I really should have gone and added like some stickles or some enamel dots as well. I think that would be like not enamel dots. What do you call them? Nouveau drops. But yeah. Unfortunately, my video editing software isn't behaving today. Everything's just gone wrong, honestly. But it means that it's just not picking up that I've got photos at the end of this video. So instead of adding them in and then you just seeing a black screen, I'm just going to go ahead and not show you the photos. You might have to head to the Kitaholic Kits Insta page or my Insta page to have a look. With that, I'm adding the girl at the top. These are from Kitaholic Kits a few months ago, I think, maybe a year ago or so, and sorry about that. And yeah, I'm going to add the date, and then this layout's going to be done. Thank you very much for joining me. I will see you all again next week. Bye.